This is the final lesson in the making and collecting and testing gases topic. We're on page 19, nitrogen. The text says, "You may be surprised to how little we have talked about the most abundant gas in our atmosphere, nitrogen. This is because nitrogen is very unreactive. If we were to do all of the gas tests, it would be a very, very dull experiment with nitrogen because it does absolutely nothing. It's a colourless gas, it's odourless and insoluble. It does nothing with the glowing splint or a burning splint. It leaves lime water unchanged. It doesn't burn at all. It is non-flammable. In some ways, it's really, really similar to the noble gases, helium, neon, argon, krypton, and xenon. It is an unreactive gas, nitrogen. The question says, what experiments would I need to do if I wanted to show that the gas was not oxygen, carbon dioxide, or hydrogen? I hope by thinking about that question, you should be able to think, well, I can do all my standard gas tests. If it wasn't oxygen, it would not relight a glowing splint. If it wasn't carbon dioxide, it would not turn lime water from clear and colourless to cloudy and white. And if it wasn't hydrogen, it would not burn with a pop, with a lighted splint. Over the page to the gas test summary. We've made a video for the gas test summaries. Watch that video and fill in this table. We have already written down here oxygen, O2, carbon dioxide, CO2, and hydrogen, H2. These are the chemical formulas for these gases. We have the 2 written as a small number slightly below the line of the capital letter O for oxygen, O2, CO2, both capitals, CO2, and H2, capital H with a small 2 down below it. Nitrogen and the noble gases are N2, He, Ne, Ar, Kr, Xe, and Rn. The test for them is, well, they do nothing. They do nothing with any of the standard gas tests. We can't tell them apart very easily at all. We have to do some more complicated experiments. So, fill in that table on page 20, please.